my own version of beef and pork burger patty. I'm making my own version of burger patty. So I'm using oyster sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic, chicken powder, cornstarch, breadcrumbs, minced onion, and very fine minced carrots to make it healthy. And then I put 2 eggs, and then minced beef, and what is that? Minced pork. So I put 2 pack, guys. So let's mix the ingredients, guys. Ito, so minced garlic, minced onion, and then soy sauce, and then the chicken powder, guys. And mix them all together. So put the breadcrumbs for firming, then cornstarch, and then the oyster sauce. So ayan, guys, oyster sauce. Ayan, wait lang. Then yung dalawang egg po, brinake ko na po siya, nilagay ko sa ano. Then we mix them together. So ayan, guys, i-mix natin lahat. Mix natin siya hanggang sa lahat ay magsama-sama. Yan, mix lang po natin. So ayan, guys, after mixing all the ingredients, ito na po yung kanyang kalalabasan. So mag-imo-molds mo na lang siya ng ano, ayon sa yung gaano kakapal at gaano kalaki na size ng iyong burger. Ayan, guys, nakalimutan kong ilagay yung carrots. Yan, so ilagay natin yung carrots. And then i-mix po natin ulit. Yan, i-mix po natin ulit. So, mix po. So, ayan, guys. After mixing the carrots, sorry, nakalimutan ko yung carrots. I forgot the carrots, guys. So, after finishing, this is the outcome. So, it's ready to cook now. So, ayan. Thank you, guys, for watching my video. God bless us all. Thank you very much.